Welcome to the DreamGains Daily Market Update. Nifty as expected opened positive in the range of 8535 and 8545 ahead of positive Asian global cues. So the support levels for Nifty futures in today's trading sessions are at 8431 and post that it is at 8371. The resistance level for Nifty futures in today's trading session is at 8573 and post that it is at 8674. According to the pivot points table, the resistance levels for Bank Nifty futures in today's trading session are at 18265 and post that it is at 18433. The support levels for Bank Nifty futures are at 17825 and below that, if the market sustains, then we are expecting a level of 17552. On 21st of November, which is Friday, the rupee closed 22 paise stronger. Some trade statistics on 21st of November. The total turnover in the cash segment was at 3,12,000 crores and in F&O segment was at 17,243 crores. FI and DI activity on 21st of November. FI and DIs were net buyers on Friday. FIIs to the tune of 122.5 crores and DIIs to the tune of 137.59 crores. Some stock specific news today in Amja and ACC, and also apart from that in Tata Teleservices. Moving ahead to technical cues for today's trading session, Biocon has recovered from its low at 436 and it has taken very strong resistance level at its 200-day moving average, which is at 465 level. Now, if prices sustain above 465 and the one-day closing above 465 will result in a strong uptrend till 480, and post that we are expecting 510 levels in the next few trading sessions. Another technical cue, another stock we are keenly watching is Reliance Industries. Reliance Industries gave a strong closing above its 100-day moving average, and this was after a period of 2.5 months. Also, there is a very strong support in Reliance Industries at its 200 DMA, which is at 965, and prices are expected to be in a positive trend in the next few trading sessions, and one can buy above 1009 for positional trade with a stop loss at 975, and the upside target will be about 1050 levels. Some economic events. So oil companies to link 20 million LPG connections with DVTL in Uttar Pradesh. Also, so this is a very positive sign for the OMCs or the oil marketing companies. So this should positively impact stocks to the tune of ONGC. Even though ONGC is trading at recent lows, we are expecting a strong bounce back in ONGC over the next few trading sessions. So this was the daily market update for today. For further updates, please stay tuned. Thank you.